Hey guys, welcome to Minecraft. This is version 1.16.4 and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a piston. So what you'll need is a crafting table, 4 bits of cobblestone, a piece of iron ingot, 1 piece of redstone dust and 3 wooden planks. Any type of wood doesn't matter. And then to make a sticky piston you only need 1 slime ball once the piston's made. So first step is get it over to your crafting table and get your 4 bits of cobblestone on the side. Then get your 3 bits of any type of wooden plank, put them on the top. Get your redstone dust and put 1 down there. Put then 1 piece of iron. And there's your piston. And to make a sticky piston, all you've got to do is put your piston in any slot and then 1 slime ball just above it. And there's your sticky piston. So there you have it, guys. There's how you make a piston and also a sticky piston.